what lip liner should I use today? Oh yeah, MAC Morning Coffee. I'm always going to mention Morning Coffee by MAC because it always looks like this. I use it so often and it's so good. It's like my lips, but 1,000 times better. I'm going to line my lips with MAC Pro Longwear lip liner in Morning Coffee. Oh, this, by the way, is always on my Christmas list because you can never have enough morning coffee. This is my favorite. Hi, and thank you for watching. Today's video is quite a daunting task, but I'm excited to film it anyway. So for as many times as I've mentioned on my channel that MAC has discontinued their Pro Longwear lip liner, which is like their best lip liners, that means that they've discontinued half of my daily lip makeup routine. My daily lip liner of choice was MAC Pro Longwear lip liner in the color Morning Coffee. I've been using that almost every single day. All my daily looks is Morning Coffee and Kinda Sexy. So I am mourning a loss right now. But for all the times I've mentioned this discontinued product on my channel, you would think that I'd be working on getting some kind of replacement or something. I bought some lip products, but I've really been slacking on finding my replacement. I have Morning Coffee on right now, but this is what I'm working with. That much left. And then it's time to move on. This video is not sponsored and obviously not sponsored by MAC because I have nothing nice to say about them right now. I'm really angry. So I'll be using my trusty face halo to remove my lipstick and hopefully find a good replacement. But this right now you've probably seen before. This is Morning Coffee and Kinda Sexy. And I'm going to remove this so we can try something new. It's really time for me to knuckle down and find a replacement product. So this is Morning Coffee. It is just like the most beautiful, oh my goodness. That. There are times when I'm like trying to find a replacement for Morning Coffee and I end up using Morning Coffee and then a new lipstick. So that defeats the purpose. Let's try some things out. I've been collecting lip liners for like the past couple weeks. Oh, and I got this at Target. So let's see what we have here. Becca Ultimate Lip Definer in the color Chill. Okay, so let's see how this looks. So because this applicator is so thin, like it's definitely harder to make a nice line. After the lip liner's on, I'll apply Kinda Sexy and see what kind of ombre we get. Okay. I just think that this color is like too dark. It's okay. It's not okay. This color is just too dark. Like it's not mixing. It's not fading. I'm going to pass on this one, but that's okay. I didn't think that I would find my new replacement on my first try. I haven't completely turned my back on MAC, by the way. I am still using Kinda Sexy, which is their lipstick. I'm still diehard for their Pro Longwear concealer. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to try another MAC product. This is Soar. Not like sore, like like sore, like, you know. No, that wouldn't be the right sound effect because you're soaring, not flapping. Okay, so I'll swatch this. Soar is a color that Kylie Jenner was rumored to use. Oh, that's a lot lighter. We're breaking free. They may have reformulated their lip liners because that went on pretty nicely. So it's definitely blended a lot better than the Becca color just because it's lighter, I think. Do you see a big difference when you have like a different color on? Because I feel like it washes me out a little. Maybe I'm just being picky, but I don't know. I'm just doing some unboxings of some Kylie products. MAC Pro Longwear lip liner was $22. These are $12. This is the color Dirty Rose. I believe Morning Coffee's description was a dusty rose, if I'm not mistaken. So here's Dirty Rose. The formula is really creamy, I can already tell you that. It just doesn't have any purple like Morning Coffee does, but that's a really pretty color too. Super creamy on application. This actually looks kind of red. This is like almost closer to like terracotta or something like that. It's definitely not the same shade. Like it's not a replacement in the sense that it looks like a dupe or something. This right here, this is ginger. If you're not super into makeup, you're probably not seeing any difference on these swatches. And also, like, you put a product on yourself, you see it differently than if you watch someone else do it. This might be like a completely different experience for you than it is for me, but I'm happy to be spending it with you. These are creamy. A little too creamy. It just broke on me. So that's cool. This is a really finicky one, but this is really pretty. It doesn't have that plum color that Morning Coffee does, but it's a nice, this is like a nice like everyday color, right? I like this better than Dirty Rose, that's for sure. This is Souffle. Looks like a nice color. Just getting a little messy. I don't want to let that like change how I feel about the color, you know? Oh, there you go. Okay, I feel like that has a nice, like, you know, color, like everyday color. A little orange, but maybe I'm also a little orange. So I could see myself wearing this color every day, but not being so committed to it, if that makes sense. I can't believe how seriously I'm taking this. Like, I'm such a joke, you guys. And lastly, we have coconut. Good, because I'm running out of space. This has like a little bit of that dusty color. My foundation all around my mouth is just gone. My lips protrude a lot further out than the lip color part. Like, my lip color ends here, but my lip is still going out up to here. That's what I overline, like on top of the parts that are still sticking out. Does that make sense? Like, my lip color ends here, but my lip is sticking out to here. This is like a nudie color, a little bit washed out. So this is not my favorite. Not my favorite. I can fix this. Alrighty guys, so that concludes this video. I tried on all the new products that I purchased. I put it back on. I felt like the try on was like a fun party or whatever, but I ended up basically calling my mom and having her bring me back home.
Mom, can you pick me up? I'm scared.
I'm going to turn one of these into my new daily. I think I'll watch the footage and just see which one I like. Maybe gauge my own reaction since it's on film now anyway. And then we'll see how we move forward. We have to. I'm running out of my product. So yeah, that was a different kind of video. I thought it was fun to have you part of this journey. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.